Using less plastic can protect oceans and sea animals. Using less plastic can protect oceans and sea animals.
Mobile phones are useful for staying in touch. Mobile phones are useful for staying in touch.
Taking notes during lectures improve memory. Taking notes during lectures improve memory.
People often check emails throughout the day. People often check emails throughout the day.
Walking after meals can help with digestion. Walking after meals can help with digestion.
Office workers often use email to share information. Office workers often use email to share information.
Many discoveries begin with simple observations. Many discoveries begin with simple observations.
News websites help people stay informed every day. News websites help people stay informed every day.
Jobs help people earn money to support their needs. Jobs help people earn money to support their needs.
Reading every day helps improve vocabulary. Reading every day helps improve vocabulary.
Solar panels are a popular way to save energy. Solar panels are a popular way to save energy.
Healthy food is important for a strong body. Healthy food is important for a strong body. Online classes are common in many universities today. Online classes are common in many universities today.
Voice assistants can help with simple tasks. Voice assistants can help with simple tasks.
Too much screen time can affect your sleep. Too much screen time can affect your sleep.